Welcome to the MultiSite Tenant Charges Learning Module.
In this training demonstration of charge form, we're going to do four things. First, I'm going to demonstrate the charge process. Then I'm going to show and explain the different parts of the charge form. Then I will let you enter a charge through an interactive training session. And then last, you will be tested on this exercise to help you retain this information.
All right, let's get started. First, I'm going to get focus on this Charlie Kane tenant, and I'm going to right-click. I'm going to go down to Enter Charge. The charge form pops up. The unit ID is already pre-filled. I'm going to enter a damage charge. The Add button at the lower left of the form already has the dotted lines around it. That indicates that it is ready to be pressed when you hit the Enter key. Okay, we've just made two charges to two different tenants. I'm going to hit the Close button, and we will be taken back to the account history of the last person that we entered. Now, this previous charge form up here was already here from another session, but I just charged this person right here, rent tenant. Now I'm going to describe the parts of the charge form. You will normally be working only on the left side of the charge form, but the right side of the charge form holds some important information, and you should get in the habit of looking over at it on every charge. Now, the top two fields, the date and the period post, will always be automatically pre-filled with today's date and the current accounting period. The next fields, the tenant name, apartment name, site name, and current balance, will be blank when you start a charge. It's very important that you look over there after you enter a unit ID. Let me show you. I'm going to enter a unit ID right now. I'm going to press Enter and watch the right-hand side of the screen. It pre-fills with the tenant name, site name, and the current balance. Get in the habit of always looking at those. It'll keep you out of a lot of trouble. The current balance over there will also tell you not only what the current balance is, it'll give you an idea if you're about to make a charge to somebody that does not have a zero balance. That'll tip you off that you're on the wrong person. Now I'm going to go ahead and enter a damage. After you enter the amount field, you can press the Enter key and jump directly to the Save button, or you can press the Tab key where you can edit the description. Let me explain this. On the bottom right-hand side of the screen, there's a little box that says Print Charge. You can set that optionally to print a charge every single time that you save, or if it's unchecked, like it is right now, it'll come up and ask you if you want to print the receipt. And then you can say yes or no. Okay, now it's your turn. Take the mouse and click the Add button at the lower left-hand corner of this charge form. Now your cursor automatically went to the unit ID. Type in the unit 1-201. Press the Enter key. Your cursor is on charge code. Please type the word damages. Press the Enter key again. Now enter $55. The focus is now on the Save button. Take your mouse and press the Save button. We don't want to print a receipt right now, so take your mouse and click the No button. Now, with your mouse, click on the Close button at the bottom of the form. Now, the account history grid opens up. That last charge of $55 is the one that you just entered. Congratulations. Welcome to this quiz. Please read each question carefully. Some questions have more than one answer. Select your answer and press the Submit button. The Submit button will tell you if your answer is correct or incorrect. You are allowed 2 attempts per question. Then you will move on to the next question. At the end of the quiz, you will see your results and be given the opportunity to review your answers. You may take the test more than once. We want you to learn from your mistakes and celebrate your successes. Your results are saved and will count towards a MultiSite certification. Good luck and have fun.